All right. Okay. This is the deal. This is what I have for you, and I'll give you a little bit of background to it. Okay. For a long time, I had what we call an inferiority complex for coaches, consultants, speakers. I thought that I was so good, and if I create something, people will just come for the sake of it. Let me explain. The reason that most of you are not making the money that you ought to be making, and or the difference you ought to be making, is because you don't make enough offers. Is because you're not out there telling people that you got a service, you got something to do. Now, it is different from where you just post something and, or you advertise on by email and what. You must be making consistent offers. So for a long time, like I said, I used to be one of those guys who I thought I had something good. I did not advertise as much, and I thought it was okay. But the reason I thought that is because I had an inferiority complex where I thought, hey, people will judge me. I thought people will judge me. People will not listen to me. I also thought that, okay, I was not good enough to advertise. But most importantly, I had this feeling that you can still make it even if you didn't advertise. And I was wrong. And this is what happened to me. I did a course with somebody in San Antonio about 8 years ago. And then I went, we separated. I went back to Uganda. This person is based in the UK. They went on to do what they had to do. And I checked on them about 3 years later, and they were doing way better than me, way better, and they were killing it. They had, created some really amazing stuff. So I went to him and said, hey, dude, how did you manage to do this? What happened? And he said, look, the only thing that I got from that seminar was you must make offers all the time, every time. So I make offers 3 times a week. 3 times a week, he makes offers to his people. Why? People need to be told what to do. Your clients need to be told what to do consistently. People do not assume that your clients know what to do. Do not assume that your clients are just going to wake up one day and say, hi, you know what? It's time for me to buy from Sonia, or it is time for me to go and buy from Alex. No, you must consistently make offers. The only reason you don't make offers is because of fear of rejection. But guess what? Make an offer. If they say no, nothing has changed. Okay, if they say no, you still didn't have them as a client anyway, but you have learned something. Most importantly, after about 8 times of going after them consistently, they will be able to buy from you at a certain stage. Okay, so I want to share with you quickly a quick formula of how you can make offers so that you can get used to this. And I want you to start doing this in this December and in January. And if you could do it consistently, by the time it comes to mid-year, you will be making some serious money. Now, this is also dependent on the fact that you have a great product, that you are serving your, your clients effectively. And most importantly, you are answering some really, really painful questions for your clients. All right. So let me just share my screen here so that. Okay. By the way, that is what you're winning for today. Okay. Effective messaging. Okay, this is a super one. But let's just go to why you need to be making offers. Okay, you must make offers often. Why? People don't necessarily don't think that people are going to assume, okay, that no, you don't assume that your people know that you have a product. No, you have to consistently be in their face. You have to consistently make offers so that when the time comes for them to want to get your product, you're the first person at the top of mind. That is what, marketing is about, being top of mind for everybody. The reason that great companies market all the time, every time, is because they understand the psychology. You got to be in people's faces consistently so that when they're ready to make a decision, the first person they think about is you. Now, if you think about it, if you market first week of January, okay, and then you don't market until end of February, guess what has happened in between there? Somebody else has done it. And if the other person, your client, is ready in February, they're not going to have you top of the mind. Somebody else is going to get it. And that is what is most important for you guys to get. All right. So let's do this. How, you might be asking, okay? By the way, those of you who have been with me, you will know this formula. Okay, this is a formula for making business happen. Period. Okay. Let me just take that to the bottom and take this away. Okay. This is a formula, how to quickly grow your coaching consulting business fast, but it doesn't matter, even if it is another kind of business, whether you're a plumber, you're a cook, you're a chef, you're into healthcare, whatever. You must get good attention, marketing. You must capture leads, get people's information and be able to get, every shop I go to now, they say, would you want to put your telephone? Not yesterday, 2 days ago, some guy, before I put my card to pay, the machine came up with, you must fill in your phone number before and I was thinking, damn, this is very clever. They're trying to make sure they get me as a lead. Now, why are they doing that? So that they can make consistent offers to me. That is what we're talking about right there. By the way, this is all discussed deeply in the World Class Consultants with Audacity, the course that you need for you to make sure that you can build your business to the next level. And congratulations to Sonia. Next week, we begin to rock and roll. And I'm still waiting for Lorraine. And I'm still waiting for Amber. And all of you guys need to come on board so that we can make next year the best year ever. Because I know you want to build a better business. You want to change your financials. You want to make sure that you are serving people and doing what you have to do for them. And that is why I'm making this offer. Now, just see what I've just done right there. I am preaching what I just said. Okay. And those of you who have been on here from day one, I have been telling you all the time. Now, I know when the time comes, you're going to buy. For example, before the end of Christmas, I'm sure Lorraine is going to make the offer, take the offer. So let us do this. Okay. The secret formula to making great offers. Now, people complicate it. They think you have to do so many things. No. And this I learned from a guy called Frank Khan. I think is amazing. Okay. This is what he says. Okay. Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't complicate it. Don't try and do, long-term, especially if you're just starting. You can get somebody on a call. Now, if you have a shop or you have a business which people have to buy off the internet without seeing you in person, then of course you got to write copy and stuff like that. But before you write copy, this is what you got to do. Okay. The first things you got to do is call them out or mention pain or niche and or their desire. For example, if you want to make more money as a coach, consultant, speaker next year, you see what I just did there? If you want. Okay, next one. Okay, or you might say, are you looking to become a better speaker? Are you looking to get rid of your debt, Amber? Are you looking to make sure that your parents are well looked, whatever it is? Okay, this is how you start. You call them out on their pain. Okay, number two. Okay, let me just get this. Okay, and you want this. Okay, for example, for me, I say, are you looking to grow your business as a consultant speaker? And you want more customers, you want more health, you want better leads, you want to make more money. All right. Here is what I have for you today. That is important. Here is what I have for you today. Okay, Abdeli, if you don't stop, I'm going to throw you out shortly. Okay, stop it. All right. And then next, here is what it will do for you. Sorry, guys. This guy is just doing something. I don't know what he's doing. Here is what it will do for you. And here you mention the benefits of your product. Okay. So, for example, do you want more customers and to grow your business so that you can leave an indelible mark in the world? Here is what I have for you today. The World Class Consultants with Audacity course is the course that is going to not only help you to build a great business, but give you the freedom to be able to do what you want when you want to do it. Here is what it will do for you. It will help you get your niche. It will help you know where to find your customers. It will help you to build your funnels. It will help you to know exactly what to do when it comes to Facebook marketing. It will also help you to learn public speaking. Now, I am telling you the benefits of the course. Okay. And then next, what do you do? Okay. He's gotten into it. Okay. It's a little bit stuck. 1 second, guys. Oh, Abdeli, I'm going to chuck you out. Sorry, guys. I need to. We'll start again. By the way, be aware that that stuff will happen all the time, every time. We just have to keep going, basically. Okay. Just make sure that we get there. Okay. And here is what I want you to do next. Now, remember I told you that you need your clients, you need to guide your clients because your clients don't necessarily know. Sometimes people just need to be told what to do. So after I tell you the benefits, then I'll say, here's what I want you to do next. I want you to click the button below. I want you to buy. I want you to register. I want you to do this. This simple formula, guys, will make you so much money, okay, in the next 6 months or so, simply by doing this consistently every week, consistently calling people out, okay? Amber, you must get the benefits right now. The benefits and futures are totally different things, okay? You must make sure you're doing benefits and not futures. And when you do that, it completely changes the way that people look at your product, all right? So that is the simple formula. And as usual, guess what I'm doing? I'm telling you that if you stop wasting time and you get the combination right in this business, it will change everything for you. I have a free masterclass, which happens every Thursday. You can join that. Most importantly, you guys who are on here, you need to be able to join the 100K world-class mentorship program, which helps you to achieve all your goals and helps you to create a business long-term, all right? So thank you very much. I shall now go back to the draw. But before I do that, I will ask you guys, do you have any questions, comments, observation, anything you might want to ask before we do the draw? Any question, comment, observation, anything you might want to ask about what I just presented to you before we get into the draw for today? Let me give you guys some numbers, okay? Amber number 1, Sonia number 2, Lorraine number 3, Sagrain 4, Brenda 5, Joshua number 6, Ensel Zamolo number 7, Alex number 8, Victor number 9, Victor Abraham number 9, Zakaria Nyote number 10, Tumelo 11, Antonio Fungi 12. All right, those are your numbers. Those are your numbers, okay, up to 12. And I will be running that. But in the meantime, do you guys have any questions for me? Anybody, any questions? If you don't, I'm going to go to the draw roundabout now. Oh, yes, Lorraine, what you got, my dear?
Okay, I missed out now because my internet dropped.
Uh-huh.
May I maybe just make sure I understand what you mean with offers? So instead of just saying, I am a coach and I have a coaching business, I'm saying I have this program for this amount of money and right now it's going for this amount of money.
So ask again, ask the question again. I didn't get the question. What is the question?
Okay, so I just want to make sure that I understand what you mean with making offers. So for example, we know what that Ford is selling Ford cars, but they would be advertising a specific car for a specific amount for a specific time period only. Okay.
Not necessarily, Lorraine. You must be telling people about your program every week, for example.
Yeah.
There's not 1 week where Coca-Cola says we're not selling Coca-Cola today.
Yeah.
It's just that when the World Cup comes up, they come up with a different offer, like either small bottles or get 2 big bottles for whatever. Your job is to make sure that every day people know that Lorraine is a great coach who has got this program, which does A, B, C, D. Now, when it comes to offers, you might pick some days. You might pick Valentine's. You might pick Christmas, like I'm doing. You might pick Easter. You might pick whatever, your birthday, whatever. Then those days you give offers where you might say 50% off. Lorraine, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But the whole point is that you must consistently market. You must consistently be in people's faces to tell them that you have a product. Broke coaches assume that people know about them, because you've been somewhere because you post on Facebook. No, you must make offers because people need to be told what to do. All right. Okay. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Any other question? Anybody has any other question before we do the draw?
Good evening, Phill.
Good evening. Who am I speaking to? Amolo?
Yes, you're speaking to Amolo.
Amolo, I need to see your beautiful face. What's wrong with you? What is the problem? There you are. Okay. How are you?
Okay. I'm fine, sir. Good. So I don't have a problem, but mine is just I really learn a lot from you. from this short time, because I participated in an innovative medical device called the seatbelt of maternity. It's a new innovation that we did, and currently we are about to launch it here in Kenya. It was done in the US, but we want to launch it here in Kenya. So I really got some ideas from you right now.
Okay.
And actually, I will make sure that we apply those ideas when we start looking for clients.
Good job. Good job. Well done. And then you send me the commission when you make the money, yes?
Yes, I'll do.
All right. Okay. Any other question? Anybody got a question? All right, guys. It's Sunday. Some of you, the day is ending. Some of you, it is starting. Whatever you're doing, I want you to know that, yes, you have the audacity to live life on your terms. Until next time. Peace.